Are you interested in healthcare? Do you have questions about the MD program? Here's your chance to hear from the College of Medicine staff, faculty, and students during this year's USask Open House. Join me and a panel of our students in the Saskatchewan Medical School sessions, where you can hear about the application process to make it into medical school, as well as how our students made it into medicine and their journey into the program. If you have questions about residency and specialty, you can join one of our sessions on introductory sessions about pathology, family medicine, or robotics and surgery. These will provide you a foundational knowledge on a few areas that you may cover off in medical school and help you plan for your career after you finish medical school. If sports and rehab medicine are more your style, you may like to join our physical therapy session that we'll be holding as well. This will give you a foundational knowledge on what physical therapy is, what you'll learn in the program, and how you can apply for admission. Or if you're interested in an exciting new career opportunity in the healthcare fields, join us for our physician's assistant session where you'll learn all about the physician assistant program. Don't miss your chance to learn about each of our programs and how you can become part of the College of Medicine at this year's open house.